welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a graduation party get ready with me. In Pennsylvania where I live, we are now in the green phase, so a small family get together is allowed if you're under a certain amount of people, and if it is strictly family, which it is going to be. Darian is now here. Usually when I get ready for events, I always take a shower first so I can like situate my hair, but I'm actually not going to today. I am gonna shower at night because I know I'm gonna be in the pool and stuff. So I'm gonna start off by doing just a little bit of skincare, like nothing too crazy. I'm not gonna be doing like masks or anything, but I do want to put on some serums and sunscreen for today since I'm gonna be outside. I'm first gonna be using the Valine Labs Hydrating Facial Serum because my face is always so dry in the summer, so...
Can I get that?
What? You want that?
Mm-hmm.
I love this stuff. It's my favorite. Okay, we don't have to show me. Whoa! Did you see Snickers? She was just struggling to get up. I'm using the CeraVe sunscreen. It's SPF 30. I'm gonna do my brows, but I'm not gonna do any like heavy mascara because, like I said, I'm going in the pool. But my brows do stay on. I'm gonna be using the Second Love Brow Pomade this step. I don't know if it's waterproof or not, but it is for me. It just stays on no matter what. So Darren is making me a breakfast sandwich, everything bagel, egg, and also cheese and salami. Let me know if you guys prefer these type of get ready with me videos rather than like a professional looking like sit down with nice music and stuff. I'm gonna be doing a waterproof mascara. I'll use the mini travel size Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. For my hair, I'm gonna be trying or attempting space buns. Don't know how this is gonna turn out. The part doesn't have to be anything too perfect. The space buns are supposed to be on the messier side, and it's just gonna be taken out in a couple hours anyways. So you guys, I don't even know where to start with like space buns. Like, do I even have enough hair for that? Like, I'm pretty sure you need like extensions or something. I don't really know. Alright, I'm just gonna act like I'm putting this side up into like a pigtail. You know how many times it takes me to like get a good bun looking, let alone like, oh my god, no. Is that cute? I need to do the other side to see if it like matches and like looks good because, oh my god, no. Maybe if we can like secure it with bobby pins a little bit, it'll look not as bad. We already know this side isn't going to turn out as smooth or as even as the other side, but... oh my god. I don't know how the heck I did the bun on that side, like, to look that good. Also, space buns are like a 2016 trend, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, I think they're cute if you can pull them off, but... Alright, this is the most decent one we got, so... we're gonna just secure it in place. Darian's coming. What do you think about this hair?
Ooh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really? Like, truthfully.
That looks like the Fortnite character. What is it called?
Space buns.
I like it.
They were a trend back in like 2016. Comment down below and let me know if these are ugly or not, because I like them, but... Alright, here is the final hair and makeup. I really like you guys. I'm gonna be trying this a lot more often. Not all the time, because this side was a bit stubborn, but I think once I get the hang of it and start doing it more, it'll be a lot easier. I'm not gonna change into my outfit for the day. I don't know what I'm gonna wear either. When do I ever? Literally whenever I do these videos, I'm always like, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for this. Like, I never plan for stuff, so yeah, I'm just gonna be looking through my closet and choosing the cutest thing. It's supposed to be really hot out today, like all day. Which is surprising because we never ever have good weather when we throw parties. Probably like shorts and a tube top, something really basic, because I'm gonna be in a swimsuit for most of the day. Oh, look how cute. Oh. Thank you. This looks so good. No. Alright, a final OTD, a white tube top with a hot pink hey, psst! You're trying to eat my bagel! Ripped jean shorts and my space buns. I honestly do not understand how people don't think this is cute. Like, why do people hate on this so much? Also, Darren got me these beautiful flowers for my birthday. They are so pretty and I love them. I usually don't like flowers, but I love that color. I'm gonna quickly eat and then I'll show you guys the outside decorations. Like I mentioned before, this is just a small family get-together, and it is only strictly family. I couldn't even have Darian's parents come. Maddie isn't even able to come, so that really sucks. But yeah, we don't have like a bunch of decorations just because of how little of a get-together it is. I did a graduation vlog where I did a like parade through the school, and it was actually really cool. So I will leave it linked down below. But these are the decorations we have. My dad is currently in the middle of building a shed, so that is there. But yeah, we have this area here of chairs, and also in here if anybody wants like a lot of shade. And then just the pool area up here. And this is inside. Right now I'm going to Renner's to pick up a cake, so I will see you guys back. That was some of the decorations. Not all of them are set up, but that was most of them. Just got back from the store. Literally almost got in an accident. There's one really bad intersection by my house that like people do not know how to drive, and it's just a four-way intersection, like really basic, but it's like coming up a hill, so people like usually don't stop. And I started going because it was my turn. I was literally there like a whole 2 seconds before the other car. The other car started going. Then I stopped and let her go. And then the other car started going. I don't know. But we are now back safe. They're so cute. I don't know where we're going to put them. Where are we going to put them? Here. We're probably going to hang them like around the fence or something. I don't know if you can really see it. It's just a plain white and pink ice cream cake with the words "Congrats Tori" on it in pink. It's really cute, and usually they don't have like simple just plain pink cakes. They always have like blue, pink, a bunch of other colors, but everything is working out today, and I don't know why. Usually things always go hectic when we're trying to throw a party. I don't even know if we're going to be having like quotes and stuff set up. I'm not sure. That was it for the get ready with me of my graduation party. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys did for your graduation, if you guys are class of 2020, or if you were even able to do anything. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and bye guys.